The BMW X3 helped kickstart the compact luxury crossover segment when it debuted back in 2004 and went on to become the maker's best-selling model. The new 4th-gen 2025 X3 builds on that solid record of success with incremental updates and improvements that refine the breed rather than reinvent it. All-wheel drive is standard for 2025, and the performance-focused M40i is replaced by the M50. Notably, BMW drops the I from the model names of its gas-powered vehicles going forward, reserving the letter for use exclusively on its EVs. Almost everything. Larger overall, the 4th-generation 2025 X3 benefits from a revised exterior design and chassis, tweaked powertrains, and updated infotainment and driver assist features. Notably, all-wheel drive is now standard, eliminating the S-Drive trim, and the M50 replaces the previous M40i. With BMW dropping the I from the model names of its gas-powered vehicles, reserving the letter for use exclusively on its EVs, the 2025 models are known as the X330 X-Drive and the X3 M50. The 2025 X3's driver assist systems add a bunch of new comfort and safety-enhancing tricks, including automated lane change, adaptive cruise control with traffic light recognition, and parking assistant. The turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder in the 30X drive is boosted by a 48-volt hybrid system and makes 255 horsepower. The M50 is the real performer though, as its turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six gets the same hybridization system and a 393 horsepower rating. Both employ an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive. We were able to sample prototypes of the 2025 X3 and found that it builds on the previous generation model's already good road manners with a stiffer body structure and revised suspension. We're confident that the changes will sharpen responses while leaving its ride quality unsullied. Speaking of which, an adaptive suspension is standard on the M50 and can be ordered as an option on the 30X drive. The redesign comes standard with 19-inch alloy wheels, with 20 and 21-inch wheels also available. An available M Sport Pack gets a unique 19-inch wheel design, and the M Sport Professional Pack includes red or blue painted brake calipers. Unlike the previous X3, and in a move that mirrors a lot of the other BMWs on sale at the moment, there are very few physical controls in general. The interior is recognizably BMW. You have the usual threaded screen design, with one for the gauge cluster and another just above the center console for the infotainment software and climate controls. Standard equipment includes new heated and ventilated power adjustable sports seats with 3 available color choices for the faux leather upholstery. There's also an optional faux leather and faux suede combination available, as well as genuine leather. A woven fabric instrument panel made from recycled polyester is also on offer, marking its first use on any BMW product. BMW's latest iDrive 9 infotainment system makes its X3 debut, and the iDrive rotary knob remains in place. A nice surprise considering its conspicuous absence on the recently refreshed X1 and X2 models. The system also accepts inputs via the touchscreen, steering wheel controls, and voice commands. A head-up display is optional. BMW Digital Premium allows for video streaming and gaming options when the vehicle is stopped, the latter in single or dual player modes. BMW says this should unlock BMW Connected Drive upgrades and allow for more third-party applications to port over to the car for navigation, video streaming, music and podcast playback, news, and in-car gaming. Spotify and Amazon Music join the X3's list of audio streaming services. Because the X3 has a wheelbase identical to the old cars, you can expect the interior dimensions of the new car to mirror those of the previous generation, with similar legroom for front and rear passengers. The updated BMW SUV includes a host of safety and driver assistance features, including forward collision mitigation, lane keep assist, and speed limit warning, blind spot detection, parking assistant, backup assistant, and there's a rear view camera. An optional driving assistant professional package can use lane keep assist, side collision protection, and distance control at highway speeds. And the traffic jam assistant offers unlimited hands-free driving up to 40 miles per hour. Cargo space is wide. That said, the added length and width mean there's now more cargo capacity than before. With the rear seats up, cargo space grows from 28.7 cubic feet to 31.5 cubic feet. Fold the second row down and you get 67.1 cubic feet of space to work with, up from 62.7 cubes. The new X3 30xDrive and X3 M50xDrive models will be priced at $50,675 and $65,275 respectively, including destination fees. They go on sale later this year in the fourth quarter and will be manufactured in South Carolina. It's almost certain BMW will release a fully redesigned X3 for the 2025 model year. We expect a debut by mid-summer and fall release date for the newest member of the BMW's X family. The X3 is the brand's best-selling SUV in America, so it's vital that it remain relevant. Expect a revision that enhances the SUV's tech, performance, and efficiency without drifting too far from the X3 fundamentals of sharp handling delivered through multiple powertrains.